Did you know that in 3 years, you could save over $2,000 and reduce your household waste significantly by purchasing one set of cleaning products? It's called becoming ENJOpure. One purchase and your cleaning routine is complete for 3 years. So how does it work? ENJO products are made in Austria. Each cleaning fibre is individually hand-sewn, individually quality checked, and packaged responsibly at ENJO's international headquarters that's been carbon neutral since 2015. Products arrive in Australia and can be purchased at a demo or online. And from the day your products arrive, you'll shop less, save more, and help protect the planet, cleaning with just water. And unlike other cleaning products that end up in landfill, ENJO products are upcycled into home insulation. One product, so many benefits. Find out more at enjo.com.au/ENJOpure.